1. So here we have our sample question number 9, the last one that comes from section 2.2. Again, notice it still says solve, so I have the line where the equal sign is. Let's focus on just the left-hand side and see if we have to simplify. And I can definitely see, yep, we have to simplify because we got a set of parentheses. Get rid of this first. Do not try to combine anything, always distribute to get rid of parentheses first. When you distribute, it's the number and the sign that's in front of the parentheses. So bring this down, and then a positive 4 times negative 2 is going to be a negative 8. Bring down the W. And then distribute this positive 4 with the negative 5. Positive times negative is going to be a negative 20. Once we get rid of parentheses, then you can collect like terms. Coefficient, variable, constant. So you can see that these two match. This is a positive, this is a negative, so then we're going to have to subtract since they're different labels. So here we're going to get 4W. Who wins? 12 players or 8? Team 12 wins, so team positive. Nothing left because this is a coefficient, variable, constant, no other matches. On this side, no parentheses, constant, coefficient, variable, nothing like. So there is no simplifying here. Only on the left side, not on the right. Label. 4 versus a positive 6, because they both have variables, so we look at the higher coefficient. Positive 4 versus positive 6. This is my variable side. This would be my constant side. So that means the 20 gets to stay, but the 4W is not a constant. It needs to move. So the opposite of a positive would be a negative 4W. Negative 4W. They cancel out, so you're left with negative 20. This is still there, because only the variables are like terms. When you have a positive 6 and a negative 4, you know that they're different labels. When they're different labels, you subtract. We'll get 2W. 6 versus 4, team 6 wins, so team positive. So notice I put as a plus 2W. Now notice this negative 14 is not a variable, so you need to move that over. So the opposite of a negative 14 would be to add 14 to both sides. These cancel out, so I'm left with 2W, positive, and over here, negative and a positive. You have to subtract because they're different labels. Who wins the tug of war? 20 players or 14? Team 20 wins. Now that you have this, constant, constant side, variable, variable side, we can now work about the coefficient. Since the coefficient is a positive 2, we can finally divorce by dividing both sides by a positive 2. 2 over 2 would be 1W or just W. Negative 6 divided by positive 2. Negative divided by positive will give you a negative answer. So you have negative 3 equals W or W equals negative 3.